Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get tag on your Discord profile for free. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my Discord on my PC and I'm going to show you how the Discord tag on my profile looks like. Okay, the tag is like this guys, and I'm going to show you how you can get this tag on your profile. Okay, to get the tag, first thing first, you need to join a Discord server like this guild tags list. You're going to go to the discover menu and try to search guild tag list server. Okay, and there will be a lot of servers for you guys, and then you can join this one. Here I have joined the server, and then you're going to go to the channels menu, and you're going to choose the free tags, and you need to join the tags channel here. And after you join the tags channel, you will be able to get the tag on your profile, and you're going to go to the user setting. Go to your profile setting, and you're going to scroll down until you find the server tag. This is my current tag. I get it from the Grow a Garden server on Discord. And then I'm just going to change it to this one, Toxic. Okay, and don't forget to save changes. Okay, and for your information, this menu or this option can only appear when you have joined a tag channel. Okay, I'm going to save the changes, and let's see the tag on my profile. Okay, as you can see, my tag has been changed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get tag on our Discord profile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.